It sounds like you're looking for a straightforward guide to learning English writing. While covering everything in 3 pages would be quite a challenge, I can certainly provide you with a clear and concise overview of key areas to focus on. Let's break down the essential elements step by step. Page 1. Building your foundation words and sentences. Think of learning to write in English like building a house. You need strong bricks and a solid structure. In writing, your bricks are words, vocabulary, and your structure is how you put those words together in sentences, grammar. Expanding your vocabulary. Start with the basics, begin with common, everyday words. Think about things around you, your daily routines, and simple actions. Flashcards, language learning apps, and children's books can be surprisingly helpful at this stage. Learn in context, don't just memorize lists of words. Try to learn new words within sentences or short texts. This helps you understand how they are actually used. Active recall, regularly test yourself on the words you've learned. Try to use them in your own sentences. Keep a vocabulary journal, write down new words and their meanings. You can also add example sentences to help you remember. Understanding sentence structure. The most basic English sentence follows a subject-verb-object, SVO, order. Subject, who or what is doing the action, e.g., I, the dog, Mary. Verb, the action word, e.g., eat, runs, sings. Object, who or what is receiving the action, e.g., an apple, quickly, a song. Here are some simple examples. I eat an apple. The dog runs quickly. Mary sings a song. As you progress, you'll learn about different types of sentences, e.g., questions, commands, and how to add more detail using adjectives, describing words, and adverbs, words that describe verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. Practice simple sentence writing. Start by writing simple sentences about yourself, your day, or things you see. Don't worry about being perfect. The goal is to get comfortable putting words together. Page 2. Developing your ideas, paragraphs and basic structure. Once you can write basic sentences, the next step is to group them into paragraphs to express more complete ideas. A paragraph is a group of related sentences that focus on one main idea. The basic paragraph structure. Topic sentence. This is usually the first sentence of the paragraph and introduces the main idea. Supporting sentences. These sentences provide more details, examples, or explanations to support the topic sentence. Concluding sentence, optional. This sentence summarizes the main idea of the paragraph or provides a transition to the next paragraph. Example. Topic sentence. My favorite hobby is reading books. Supporting sentences. I enjoy getting lost in different stories and learning about new worlds. Reading helps me relax and expand my imagination. I especially like fiction and historical novels. Developing your ideas. Brainstorming. Before you start writing, take a few moments to think about what you want to say. You can jot down keywords or make a simple outline. Focus on one idea per paragraph. This helps keep your writing clear and organized. Use transition words. Words like also, however, therefore, and because can help connect your sentences and paragraphs smoothly. Simple writing activities. Describe a person or place. Write a paragraph describing someone you know or a place you like. Write about a daily activity. Describe what you do in the morning, at work/school, or in the evening. Tell a short story. Even a very simple story with a beginning, middle, and end can be great practice. Page 3. Refining your writing clarity and consistency. Now that you can build sentences and paragraphs, let's focus on making your writing clearer and more consistent. Focusing on clarity. Use simple language. When you're starting, it's better to use words and sentence structures you are comfortable with. Avoid trying to use overly complex language that you don't fully understand. Be direct, get to the point. Avoid unnecessary words or phrases that don't add meaning. Check for understanding. Imagine someone who doesn't know what you're talking about reading your writing. Would they understand it clearly? Maintaining consistency. Verb tense. Be consistent with your verb tenses. If you start writing in the past tense, generally continue in the past tense within the same paragraph or section. Pronoun agreement: make sure your pronouns, he, she, it, they, agree with the nouns they refer to. For example, if you're talking keep practicing. The most important thing is to keep writing regularly. Even short, simple pieces of writing will help you improve over time. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Consistent effort is key to becoming a better English writer. This 3-page overview provides a starting point for your English writing journey. Remember to focus on building a strong foundation, developing your ideas in a structured way, and striving for clarity and consistency. Good luck, and keep writing!